Howdy everyone, welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and if you were at fault in a car accident and just got served with a lawsuit, you might be feeling overwhelmed and unsure what to do next. But today we're going to cover that topic. So being sued is serious, but it's also something you can manage with the right legal strategy, right? And that's what we want to talk about today. So we're going to break down how fault works in personal injury lawsuits and what you can do to protect your assets and your rights. So obviously the first thing to do is understand that Texas is an at-fault state. That means if you caused the accident and someone else was injured, they have the right to sue you for damages, medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and even more if you're at fault. So, however, if your auto insurance company is usually going to be your first line of defense here. So if you have auto insurance, they're your people to call. They're contractually obligated to defend you and pay up to your policy limits. So that's important, your policy limits here. What happens if the damage exceeds your policy limits? That's where things are going to get tricky. So the injured party might try to pursue your personal assets. They may even look at your home equity, your bank accounts, or even your future wages. So if you don't have an umbrella policy or enough coverage, a lawsuit can threaten your financial future. Your insurance company will assign you a lawyer. But remember, their priority is protecting their bottom line, not necessarily yours. That lawyer from the insurance company is looking out for them. In high stakes cases, or if your liability is unclear, having your own attorney can make a big difference here. You want someone that's going to look out for you, not look out for Mr. Insurance. They can negotiate outside the court, they can argue down excessive claims, or even help settle the case without trial. In some cases, comparative fault may come into play here. So if the other driver was partially responsible, their compensation could be reduced. So if you have things like surveillance footage, crash data, or third-party witnesses can help shift some liability away from you, even if you were cited as the primary at-fault driver. Don't ignore a lawsuit or assume your insured has everything handled. They don't. Get a lawyer's advice today. Call the law office of Brian Fagan. We can help you review your case. We'll help you understand your risk, your rights, and your next steps. So call us today. You can schedule your free consultation, and we're ready to protect you, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.